I'm Dino the dinosaur, and I'm gonna commit suicide. Yeah, I know it's dangerous, and I know I'm gonna be in agony and pain, but I don't even know what suicide means. There's millions and billions of people that commit suicide every day, especially here. Let's try to commit suicide. I'm gonna die now. I'm jumping. That hurt, but I'm gonna try again. I have to try again. Oh, by the way, I have an old man. He's helping me kill myself. His name is Agnes. He's 140 years old. By the way, he's trying to catch me so he could throw me out of the window. Here, Agnes. Oops. Let's try that again. Yes, he caught me. Now he's gonna throw me out. You're gonna throw him out when I say go. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna be in a heart attack. I'm gonna have a coma. I'm going to cardiac arrest. I'm gushing blood, guys. But that's it for today. Stay tuned for part 2.